Hi everyone, this is Gleeza Made with Glee. It's not a Vlogmas video anymore because I fell off the Vlogmas train and I couldn't get back on. I made 11 Vlogmas videos, so it's 11 days of Vlogmas for me. And then I literally fell asleep one night just trying to make a video, and I'm like, you know what, I just can't do this anymore. It's way too stressful. So let me tell you what I've been up to. I finally got my Christmas tree unboxed and assembled. Is it decorated completely? No, it's not. I'm going to show you exactly what's been going on with the tree so far. Now, this is a pre-lit tree that I bought about 9 years ago. We had our tree, yes, we had our old tree in this house for 1 year, and then we gave up that one. So yes, 9 years old tree. I'm not sure whether I got it from Walmart or Home Depot. It's a Martha Stewart Living. It's like has gold berries, and it was a pre-lit. The lights no longer work on that tree, so I basically have to unwire it and rewire with new lights. And I bought 2 boxes last year after Christmas of the mini fairy lights, but after my 2 boxes, I actually had to go out shopping and go get some more boxes of lights to finish this, because all the rest of the lights I had, half worked, half didn't. I absolutely can't stand that. I tried changing all the bulbs and stuff. It still didn't work. So this was my tree. Halfway through the process, I had to stop and go out to Walmart and get a few more boxes of fairy lights so I could finish decorating. So yeah. Unexpected. I hate when that happens, but like I said, I had rewired it a couple years ago, and now half of that stuff didn't work, so I had to pull it out and do it again. So after I got back from Walmart, I did not change my clothes. I basically, you see me here, I put my hair up, and I had to get this done because the pine tree leaf things, those needles, they get everywhere and it's so messy. So I just wanted to get this done and get my house swept up and clean and a little bit organized. So basically I put the lights on and then I cleaned the house. Now there's no decorations, but I do have some ribbons that were in the box. And I don't remember what I used or how I used the ribbons last year. So basically what I did was grab some of them and just kind of like tuck them into the tree in different places. But we still have to do our ornaments and decide exactly what we're going to do. But my tree is not ever themed. It's just a collection of ornaments I've collected over the years that I like to add on there. I like the tradition of that instead of, changing the tree and, every single year with a new theme and stuff. I don't do that. So it's going to be the same old ornaments that you're going to see from me every single year. And this is just a matter of me just fluffing and fluffing and fluffing these box trees. That's the biggest problem with them, is getting to be natural. And then after I did that, I hung my garland up on my stairs. But then this is again after I went to Walmart. I came back, hung the garland up, and then guess what? Yes, I ran out of command hooks. So you see that corner there? I still need command hooks to finish hanging my garland the way it should be along the stairs. So this is how my tree looks right now. Like I said, there's no ornaments on it yet. I will be decorating it soon. So I hope you guys like this video. This is just a little bit catching up from me. I will be making videos and posting them as soon as possible, but no more of this Vlogmas stuff. I'll do it when I can. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in another video soon. Have a wonderful day. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.